Welcome to the Real Club de Tennis Barcelona 1899, the oldest tennis venue in Spain, a traditional tennis club. The Barcelona Open is the oldest tournament in Spain, now in its 63rd year.
This club breathes tennis, breathes history of tennis. The best players of the history have been playing here.
Past champions include Roy Emerson, Manuel Orantes, Mats Wilander, and of course the 8-time champion Rafael Nadal.
Barcelona is a tournament that I had a lot of success in the past. It's my club, so I just try to keep going with this good feeling here. But the draw is very tough.
Rafa will be hoping to reclaim his crown from defending champion Kei Nishikori as play begins at the 2015 edition of the Barcelona Open, Banc Sabadell.
Oh, he's got it. What a strike.
Oh, terrific tennis.
Very classy.
That'll do it. It's a win for the 17-year-old qualifier from Russia. Marin Cilic, the 4th seed here this week, is beaten.
Will you marry me?
And it's over. Nishikori is through, the defending champion.
That is an excellent win for David Ferrer.
Oh, wow. Fognini takes a memorable victory over Rafael Nadal.
Today is a bad day today. It's not a new challenge. My challenge is be back playing at my best level again, and I will work until that happens.
It's quarter-finals day in beautiful Barcelona, and some big names are in action. Defending champion Kei Nishikori is up first.
Good tennis. It's on course to defend his title here.
Yes, Klijan, a semi-final berth. He's done it. Finally, Ferrer fights his way through.
Spanish fans have plenty to cheer because it's Andujar who will face Ferrer for a place in Sunday's final.
Well, that was a bit of Hollywood tennis there for Nishikori. Showtime.
Klijan was brushed aside. That is a huge win for Pablo Andujar on the biggest of Spanish stages. Victory for Nishikori, and what a way to do it. He successfully defended his title here in Barcelona.